In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an equation editor tool into your Google Slides. So Google Slides does not have an equation editor that's native. So what you need to do, you're going to come up here into add-ons and get an add-on. So the add-on that I have is Equation Editor++. So go ahead and click it and then install. You will need to be logged into your Google account to do this. So go ahead and give it permission. And then because I'm logged in, every time I log in with my account, that add-on will be enabled. So click on the account I want to use and allow. It'll take just a second. Okay, now it's installed. All right, so the second thing that I need to do, I'm just going to check that it's there. Equation Editor++. Yes, it is there. So the next thing I need to do is actually create my equation. I'm going to use an editor tool that's the graphing calculator Desmos. So I've just provided a link, so desmos.com. So I actually don't need this graph here. All I need is this equation tool. So I'm just going to use this as a typing interface. So I'm just going to do a simple unit conversion. So I'm going to take 2.25 inches and I'm going to convert this by multiplying by the conversion factor. So I'm using the star key above the 8, and then I'm going to say in 1 inch there is, now I got that division line, I did that so fast, 1 inch, and then I'm going to use the slash key that's by the question mark to get the denominator, 2.54 centimeters. And actually I have that backwards. I need 1 inch on the bottom and 2.54 centimeters on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that, 2.54 centimeters equals, and then I'll have to do that work outside. I'm actually just going to punch this into my calculator. This is just a typing tool for me right now. Is 5.715 centimeters. And I'm not worried about sig figs right now. That's not the purpose of this lesson. Okay. So now I have an equation. So when I copy that equation and I'm go over to my Google Slides, to get it into my Google Slides, I'm going to go into the add-on equation editor, and it will open up this window. And I need to place it into this thing called LaTeX. LaTeX is a code for equations, so if I paste it, it's going to paste that LaTeX coding in. So I will now insert the equation into the slide. Okay, now this equation is huge. If I don't want it to be that big, I just grab the handlebars and pull it smaller and get it into the size I want. Now I have a really nice little equation that is sitting there inside of my Google slide.